6 benefits of coconut oil in your diet. 1. Rich source of healthy fats. Coconut oil is predominantly composed of saturated fats, with a significant portion being medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fats can provide a quick source of energy for the body and are metabolized differently than long-chain fatty acids, potentially offering various health benefits. 2. Supports weight management. MCTs in coconut oil have been linked to increased feelings of fullness and enhanced calorie burning. Including coconut oil in your diet may aid in weight management by helping control appetite and potentially boosting metabolism. 3. Promotes heart health. Despite being high in saturated fats, some studies suggest that coconut oil may have a neutral or beneficial effect on heart health. It has been shown to raise levels of HDL, good cholesterol, and may improve other markers of cardiovascular health. 4. Boosts brain function. MCTs can cross the blood-brain barrier and be converted into ketones, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. Consuming coconut oil may support cognitive function and potentially benefit individuals with conditions like Alzheimer's disease. 5. Boosts immune function. Lauric acid, a predominant fatty acid in coconut oil, exhibits antimicrobial properties. It can help fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the body, thus supporting the immune system and reducing the risk of infections. 6. Supports digestion. Coconut oil also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and nutrients from other foods. It also promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A balanced gut microbiome can contribute to better digestion and overall well-being.